ओके चल रहा है। Hi Labo, good morning. Hi everyone, good morning. So this is Singh. Labo, because I see you are busy some other task maybe. So what we will do from today, I will start the sessions and I will start recording. Okay, so you can record the recording and you can go through it and note down your queries, doubt, make notes, and connect us. So what happened? We will do not lose our time. We will not lose our time, and you can proceed accordingly. Makes sense? Okay, and we will inform you where we are, what is the status, so that you can follow. And also, I schedule call on weekend, means including Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That is, I think, your evening time. So let me check what is the time. So if you are available, you can join on that time also. 30 p.m. India time. I think, let me check. So it is 5 p.m. Okay. So what already I scheduled this call because I noticed after 23rd we didn't connect. Mandir before that server issue. So we will record the session and you can follow us. Okay. So let me share my screen. First, I will let you know where we are. So till now we have completed 7 sessions. Yes. First, second session we completed 12 and 13. Then third session 9 November. Fourth session 10 November. Fifth session 16 November. si- Sixth session 17. 7 is a 23, and eighth session is a, because yesterday you didn't join. Okay. So eighth session is the 15th December. So I would say uh, our target is completed in 1 month. Okay, so means till Jan you will finish all course with your practices. So that's why we need to put recording because you are busy. Okay, so I have prepared some kind of final data so that you can follow into system for your practices. Earlier we have created, you can definitely follow those transaction also. So we will start, means I will prepare the standard, I'm using standard so that you will get less error while making the transactions. So remember you need to follow 1710 plan, 1710 plant. Okay, so master, yes, we have completed. We have seen for raw material and spare parts. So that is a transaction M0123. You can follow. And functional locations, equipment. What is the use of functional location? For equipment installed in functional location like IL0123 you can use. And I have created for references. Okay, you can see, if you see here, at least you can see the display. Okay, so I have created already. So it will help you. Okay, already we have explained. You can just follow. Let me know if any questions. Okay, so in this functional location already we assigned this equipment. You can see. Okay, and then work center. We have created earlier also, but it is for live practice. I have created for you so that you can follow easily and see. So already I created, you just need to follow. Okay. I have created for you separately again. Okay, after completion of class, because yesterday you were not there, so I have created all data for you, so that you can practice. And fourth, okay, third master is the work center. Okay, and fourth is the equipment. T code is I03. You can just press enter and see it is installed. See, INST it is showing, so it is installed. Okay, so install means it is installed in the functional locations. You can see all details. Okay, cost center we have explained you in the work center. Cost center we are defining. Cost center I have given some notes. Yeah, cost center I just put here. It is in SAP we have some object where we will capture the cost, right? So there is a different type of cost center we can use. So already I captured here. So this is a cost center. Let me just copy it so that you can see. Means you need to assign this cost center. So equipment is done. So as already told you earlier, right? So we can download our equipment and then equipment BOM. So today we will see the equipment BOM and task list. So for that already I told you MM60 transaction is there. So we can see our material is there is a lots of material, right? So we will see what type of material we can assign. Okay, so I will check ERSA. Okay, whatever you want, you can assign, no problem. But generally, it is a kind of spare parts, spare metal we will use. So in the metal creation, already I told you about this. What is it is? Okay, so we will check kind of coupling or let's see. So transition code, equipment BOM, transition code IB01. So here I'm going to create one equipment BOM. So in IB01, there is a equipment and plant and usage. So you see equipment BOM can be created for multiple things. Okay, we have a material BOM means it is for production planning. If you want to use, you can use a costing, sales distribution, universal, and for engineering design they are also using. Okay, so here we will use a BOM usage for. So here you can give the date. So I am putting the date from today and press enter. And there is a item category. Okay, so item category there is a lots of things. So our part is the L stock time, means if you are using the assign the material, right? So you need to assign the stock because your material will be into stock. So I'm putting stock and I'm just putting the one coupling. So I put the material code and quantity, how much quantity is required. Suppose in this equipment we have two couplings, so I just press two. So it is showing coupling. Okay, you have like other material. So in the equipment, you have multiple. Okay, you can assign this. So I'm putting one gasket also. So it is asking the quantity. So I put the one quantity. So based on this, you can put, and you can see here, this is the valid from and valid to. Okay, so it is valid up to 31st December 9999. So it is end of the kind of system date, right? So this is the way you can create, and see this is the item. Okay, so once you are going to create, it will be given interest automatic. No need to be like 1 2 3 or 0 0. So it is 220 you can assign. Okay, so remember in this we have a three tab: material, document, okay, general. So our BOM category, if you see, if you click here, you can see the BOM usage is 4. Okay, remember. So we are using for this. So there is a two tab in here. We have material BOM, very important thing. Second is the task header. Okay, so this is item level. Once you make entry, you will get the item level. So this is our item. If you click on header, okay, so you can see this is equipment, this is a material, a BOM, it is internal and usage. So BOM group, don't worry about this, it will be automatic as per requirement. Valid form you can see, and BOM status. So BOM status is 1. Okay, so remember BOM status 1 matlab means you will use this BOM. If you are making inactive, means it is not using. So what happened, generally sometimes it's happen, we have a go live, right, from next month. So what we will create the data and we will status as a 1, sorry, 03. So once before go live, before 2 or 3 days, we will activate. Okay, so in the mask there is option, we can get them from BDC, or BDC is a kind of data upload, or you can ask to ABAP team. So they will prepare kind of some program, and you can run uh, like 5,000, 8,000, 10,000, maybe in lakhs also. Okay, so you can update the record. So that is not a big challenge. So initially it is 1. Okay, 3 and 1. We can convert it to hours. So I'm putting 1. Base quantity means for this equipment, for one pieces, we have a this item. 2 pieces, 1 piece. If you have more button, you can install here. Don't worry. Okay. And description. Okay. So in the description, you can put means for what purpose you are going to create this. So equipment itself is a equipment. Okay. But you can put means suppose there is a 2 or 4 side. Okay. So you can put like it is a kind of every production area. So you can understand, okay, this is the production area. I will use this compressor, whatever, right? And just save it. So form is created for equipment. If you want to change or display, you can check into CS02, sorry, CS02 normal IV02, and you will get it. So if you press equipment, plant, and valid form, so if you put enter, you will get it. Suppose if you want to change the quantity, so you can put here, or you want to add some other component, so you can just press here. I am giving the same. Let me give that. Okay, so I can give here. If I want to delete, you select it and just press it. So you can also delete some component, add component, edit quantity. If you want to change that production area, so I'm putting dot. Yeah, I'm putting production. I'm putting production area. Okay, so you can. I will show you. It is changed. If you want to change the base quantity, you can also change. So this is the kind of change. So I'm going to save it. Yeah, 89 is saved. And now if you want to, I will say, okay, yes, IB03. Then again, equipment, put display. See, 2 and 1 is there. I added and deleted same times. If you go to task list, so see, I change, I remove from production area, right? Remember? So this is the way you can update the equipment for. Okay, so please practice it. Let us know if any queries on equipment's bond. Okay, so I would say while creation of equipment's bond, already I mentioned. Okay, so I'm just let me put enter the material, item category L, and enter the material and quantity. So this is equipment one. 6 is a task list. So task list, what is task list? So task list, as I told you, right? The sequence of means sequence of task. Okay, so in the task list, we will assign the sequence of means what are the tasks is there. So list or sequence of task. Okay, what we need to perform. So suppose if the machine is failed, right? Or an equipment is failed. So what are the tasks is required? I mean, so if you start the activity to repair or resolve the problem, so what you need to follow? So there is a kind of, suppose if compressor is there, then you need to check this compressor before opening. Means what you will check? You will check, is there an oil leakage? There is a shaft bend. Okay, there is a seal is proper or not? Is screw bolt tight or not? Okay, electrical wire is good or not? Okay, it's kind of stuff you will start to troubleshoot. So that is the process you need to capture into task list. So I put some theory because it is not the actual means you are live. So I'm putting so that you can follow. So in SAP PM, task lists are used to manage and plan maintenance activities, right? So this is a plan activities first, and it is kind of plan maintenance. So means if you know, right, based on experience, suppose there is a new compressor came. First, this is the initial kind of the initial speed, right? So you don't know, right? Because it is new things for you. So you basic know you want to. But what happened once 3 or 4 times repair or active maintenance activities, and you will know these are the activities. So you can add into tasks. So there is a, I would say you can use the general task list. There is a task list type. Okay. So this is the general task list. General task list means we can use for equipment or functional location. Equipment task list means equipment task list one means you can use for specific equipment. For functional location task list is I11. Okay. So let me put here IA05 01. So I will show you, and you can use your own. Means own means you will see. I will tell you to do first one, second or first one. Then you can try for your own third one. Okay, that is not a media. Already functional location is there. So first is the equipment. So I'm just saying we will create the equipment task. Okay, so equipment task list means it is, I can say the E for the general task list or A for the functional location. Okay. So in the task list, I have defined some kind of activities, right? First, I will check the check motor pulley. Suppose compressor is there, right? So compressor activity is there. So first we will check the motor pulley. Second, check wiring. Third, apply oil on shaft. Tight the bolt. Okay. So there is the four things I capture. You have multiple things you can definitely capture. Okay. So first we will see the equipment task list. So T code is IA01. So equipment task list, I'm going to create equipment task list. Okay, another. Okay, so while creation of equipment, you will get equipment number. There is a profile, chain number, and key date. So as I told you, right, key date is a very important everywhere because key date means from when your master data will be activated. So generally we are giving the old date. Okay, any master data, if you there is a key date, okay, a valid form date, you give like 1 year date before or 1 month. 1 month I'm giving because it is rider system. In profile, there is some default value you can use. Okay, so I'm not using to use default because I will show you what are the entries. No, it is not there. Which open this. So if you click here, you can download the tasks, right? I already told you. So I'm just going to create. See, let me check stage for control all is there, right? So I'm giving 90. Let me check 90 is there or not. Okay, so from here you can also select this one. Right. Okay, why do you know? Because this is I'm giving the key date from this activity not there. Okay, so what I will do, I will put from today date. So this is the good thing. See, okay, sometimes it's not coming into mind, right? So remember, I just thought, okay, when we have created. So yes, I created earlier. Okay, so I'm using this one. Don't worry. So this is I will use profile. You can give backdate is very important, but now giving week because equipment itself not created before. Just press enter. There is a group. So group is once you create any kind of task list, group is created. It will use for reference. Always remember any task list, right? Means group is a part of. Suppose if you are going to create one more, okay, or say one more task list, so it will create it into same group. So later on, if you assign like suppose you have a 100 equipment and it is same, so you can assign same group, right? So in the group, you can assign the same kind of group. So I am just saying they are going to create to ticket IA01 equipment task list group, and there is a group counter. So it will be semester one. Suppose if you are going to create one, if you next time going to create next, it will do. Next, it will do. So group can be same, but counter will be changed. So based on this, we can see. Okay, so it is saying manual isolation wall compressor. Okay, and this is a planning plant. It is coming default. So there is a work center. Okay, so you can use your search center. Or you can use this. So I'm using this one. Don't worry. And this is a plant. Okay, and overall status. So status means always it is released. Or there was a back noise, so that's why I'm joking. Okay. So I was saying word center we need to assign and usage is 4. Okay, so you see here also you say remember we have created usage for word center and equipment bomb. Okay, and here also. So use always 4 because there is a other model are using like goods issue is related to kind of quality management production is a one. So there is a lots of usage. So you will use always 4. So word center. Okay, this one. Okay. So I didn't enter here the word center because it is default coming, right? So in your cases, you need to own because your word center is a Lego. Okay, so your word center you see you can find out easily. Your word center already created one. You can use this. Okay, so word center assign. And if there is a field if you do not want to use later on, you can put that. Okay, so press enter. You see this is a showing and click on task list. So if you click task list already, I think it is there. Don't worry. Go to header. So your group is 11 and group count 1. Now this is a header. Okay, so that's why. Because the second tab is the operation. So if you go to operations, since our center is coming, here you can put your own. So what are the operation you are going to use? So I am putting here. Okay, 001 is there. So you can put check motor pulley. Just means what are the activity you will perform. Check wiring, electrical part. So I'll put electrical into third. I put apply oil on soft because if you are going to apply, just apply the soft. So whatever it will be not rusty and tight the bolt. Check the wiring and tight the bolt. So this is the one I am putting. Okay. So how long you will take? Like it is 1 hour duration. It is 1 hour. It can be minute also. Do not worry. Just I'm putting for hour because it is a big machine, right? So if it is big machine means it will take time, right? You need to check motor pulley means you need to open some screw bolt. Okay, test it, open it, then it will time 1 hour, 1 hour. So I put it. Just press enter. So its system is by default getting the some that activity. Activity is using for costing. Okay, do not worry about this. This will be given by consultant, FI consultant, and execution factor. So it is execution means it is a kind of some technical object. Okay, so we are using what are the factor whether what is the priority like that you can define. So this is the our task list. Okay, just I'm checking time remaining between duration. Okay, we have to. So tight the bolt, right? So this is the specifications. Sorry, this is the operation list. Okay, means we are specify specification. I mean to say, we are specify here our operation. What are the activity we will define? So we can define multiple. Okay, and there is one thing. This is a control. Okay, so if you see, this is a control key. So control key we can use PM01. Okay, but it is we have already one created. So you can custom itself. Otherwise, you can use PM01. Let me check it. Yeah, it is there. Not worry. So we can use this one. So one more thing. So this is the description. If you see, you cannot put more than 40 character here. Okay. So if you click here, select this line and click here. system you will get into. So here if you want to put all details, okay, whatever means check pulley, whatever, what are means detail each and everything, okay, it is a kind of user manuals, okay, user guides of troubleshooting you can put here and save it. So I can, sorry, so this was a header list. I click on to operation list and you will get it. So see, if you click like fourth operation, right, sorry, if you click on fourth operation, double click here, you will get into the main screen. Here you can put whenever you want detail. So we are saying this is a long text. And one more thing, if you click here, you can see this is a 40, 0040, right? So our normal operation is a 40 character only. So that's why it is showing. So if you cannot put here for more than 40 character. Okay. Now, so there is a two tab. Once you enter, there is a header text. So this is a header text and this is operation text. Okay. Just save it. So once you save, this is a equipment, right? So system equipment task list is saved 19. So again, if you want to display IA02 is a change. If you want to change, you can change like description or any operation. If you want, definitely you can delete that. Okay, from here you can delete that. Whatever you want, you can do. And here it is header. So header, you can see this is a counter one, counter two. Okay, so this is our equipment task list. Now, suppose for the same equipment, if I want to create one more task list, okay, I want to assign some other task. So if you are going, system is showing you one already there. So from here you can put new entry. Once you put in new entry, see what will happen. See, it is 11, it is 2. If I, okay, 1 is there. So 2 is the second one. You can save again it. Okay, if you want. So for one equipment, you can create multiple tasks. Okay, so but it is saving into same group. So that's why I say if you want, you can create multiple. Now I will put down. Okay, so enter here, group counter, enter the operation. So there is a header operation, sorry, header tab and task list. So in the header tab, this is your task list. So in task list, you will maintain here and enter the time and unit means duration, how long it is taking. I'm putting each operation for activities, right? So task list, this is a task list, this is a header. In header, we are giving the just usage, or let me tell you also, otherwise you will confuse. I use equal to I. Let me show you I use equal to. What I did say? It's okay. Sorry. So this is a usage and overall status. So I let me put both. Okay, if you want to, you can assign planner group also. So I'm putting usage and overall status. report the thing. So this is a task list. Maintenance plus we will see later. So I would say please post this transactions again at your end. I did save it. No? I save it. I save it. It is not showing. Oh, it is showing. On that time, some I didn't select kind of date or something. So you can select there is a duration unit. So this is a unit, okay? Duration unit, time unit. So you can follow this. So this is equipment task list. Let me show you also general task. So in general task list, nothing. What happened? Group is created automatically. So you can assign this group to your functional location or your what your equipment. Okay. So I would say if equipment you create equipment list task. If you want to create this one, you can create. Okay, sorry, I'm giving number. Okay, so in equipment, sorry, in general you put just IA01, I05. Sorry, and you see equipment is created like a group counter. You can see for which you are going. So this is a general task list. Okay, general task list you can use for anything. So I put a general, I would say the general compressor state. So if any general compressor maintenance task. Okay. So if anybody open or work on any, whether it is big or small, whatever compression, so they will follow this. So plant is always remember planning and this plant is same. What center you can define your one usage again is the plant maintenance and everything is same. No need to change. We are defining this is a general task list. So means it can use for anywhere. So this is a I can put. Okay. So it is coming your work center. Okay. So select PM01. You can use same one, no issue. So I'm putting uh, this operation. Suppose it is general task list. Okay, they will check always check monopoly. Okay, apply on sort. So I'm just giving two things so you can follow. Suppose here because I'm giving the standard, so I'm putting 1 hour, 2 hours. Why? Because it's general task list, and you can see the header task list, and you can save it. Task list saved. IA03, IA04, for transition IA06. So IA05 is the creation, IA06 for the change, and IA07 is the display. So I put the element 0203 and save for the. So here we have counter. We have created six. Here also you can define, okay, it is same. So I remove the here because it is saying general. Okay, so it is not for means all. Functional location also I will show you. I was planning at least you practice it. But well, functional locations, let me copy function. This is not a big challenge for you, I know, because you know the plant maintenance activity, right? In the software. A function location. Everything is here same. Okay. So depend on your uses or task list. Okay. So I'm just putting the so function location can be also the kind of big compressor or the shop floor because we are if it's, suppose there is a furnace. Okay, in furnace you can create. So I will show you we have already created. So this is the structure we have created. So this is a functional location, right? So functional location we can use this. So that's the code IA11. So we have created here functional location task list. So just enter the your functional location in Excel. Do not worry because as I have committed, I have mentioned all data here. Okay, so you need to just follow. Yeah, so I have created. Okay, you can use these references. Functional location is there. So just press enter. Put here again. Code is a stage. Code is the thing. So group count is one because this equipment we are going to create first time, right? So group is there. Press enter. Operation. Then you will get the same skill. No worries. Okay, everything is the same. Just we are assigning particular this equipment. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to because this is kind of furnace, right? Production unit. So which is more than 40 character, then it will not come here, right? Okay, okay. Just see, it is coming, right? So you can put like, okay, suppose you are saying it is 2 hour, like it is big cheese. The cultural location is big chapter, so it will take 4 hours. It will take 3 hours, right? So you can assign 2 hours. If you have a minute, also you can assign. Okay, so I will just show you minute. So it is 30 minutes. You can put minute also. Okay, so system will check. Do not worry about that. If you don't know, suppose you are giving something, you don't know what is the unit of. So you can say probably whether it is days also. So see, days is there, hour is there, year is there. So again, there is a header text. If you are into header, you can go into the first. Once you enter it, you will get the option tab or task link. You can see here. From here, you will into operation. If you want to go again into header, you can. So this is task is suppose I am going to create one. So it will give the line item, right? So here, once you create multiple, your last task will be added. So go here and just save it. So this task is created. So this was the transaction I11. So I12 is a change. Same thing. You can add, delete, whatever you want. If you want to delete, you just select here. If you want to add, then enter here, right? So this is a way you can use the function. So I think time is over. So yes, material plan we will see. There is a kind of time based, performance based, and it will be used into the preventive maintenance. Okay. So what we have captured today, I will send you this note. So till now we have completed Metal Master. In Metal Master, you know the report kind of stock overview already. MMB list of material MM60 and multiple stock overview MV52. So there is a lots of report, right? Functional location. We have created functional location which is IL0123. Word center is the word center is the IR0123 and category 005. You can create a CR01 and select the this one also category by default. Okay. In the CR01 we have multiple. So earlier I told you the IR0 you can create, but I thought we can have other options. Okay. So even I told you that those type, no issue. You can use for your practice. Then cost center. Cost center is the kind of stuff you assign to our work center. Equipment is a kind of machines install. We install the our multiple equipment into one equipment, or equipment is assigned to function location. This is a transaction. So I have given some sample. You can refer this. Okay, and equipment download. You can download equipment bomb. Today we have captured equipment bomb. IB0123 usage 4 task list. In the task list, we have a three task type of task list. First is a task list for general maintenance task list by I05, 06, 07, and equipment task list is the 02, 03, and functional location task list is the I11, 12, and 13. So we have multiple task lists we can use. Okay. So I would say please practice on this and let me know if you're doubt. Which so I was thinking to tell you two things and you will create your own, but yes, we have a time. So that's why I told you equipment, T for the general task list, and A for the functional task list. So there is everything is same. Added task list, usage, and overall status unit to maintain and based on your this. So if you have a specific equipment, we can create this one. So I will share you via mail. Next chapter, we will complete our plant maintenance strategy and plant. So let me show you also. Yeah, only 1 minute. Let me try if I can open. Otherwise, yes, we have completed master data completely. SAP P master data. Yes. So yes, we have completed SAP plant maintenance in module one introduction to PM. Okay, we were PM key concept integrated with the SAP modules. Okay, how it is equipment master data, functional location master data, metal master data, bill of material. So we have completed. Okay, and also we have see the task list. Okay, so maintenance plan, maintenance strategies. What should we see next time? Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Good day. Goodbye. I will share through mail. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.